Hello, welcome back to the Geography 300 Geographical Data Analysis video series for West Virginia University. We're now switching to a different portion of the course. We're going from the introduction to different properties of data. Now we're looking at the first round of actual statistics. If you go back to the process from one of the very early videos, recall that statistics showed up twice. First, for description and summarization of the data through descriptive statistics. Second, through hypothesis testing and inferential statistics to understand relationships. Here we are looking at the descriptive statistics, as that is often the step that comes after collecting the data. The whole point, the whole purpose of descriptive statistics is if you have a table of hundreds or thousands or millions of records, yes, it is possible to go and look through. Mon County, West Virginia has a value of 12. Cuyahoga County, Ohio has a value of 15. Maricopa County, California has a value of 83. And you just keep, and you could look at all 3,000 and change counties across the entire country. That doesn't give you a lot of useful information because there's so much of it. We want to describe and summarize and get the data more simplified so that we can wrap our heads around it better. The first and most simplest of these is what's under kind of the fancy term here, measures of central tendency. They are, in fact, the examples I used when going through the NOIR setup. So it's what's most common or what is central tendency of your data set. We can have for nominal data, is the most common value. So if I'm looking at a nominal data set like the land cover types, I can say the mode value for Mon County is forest. That's about all I can say in terms of summarizing. If instead we have ordinal data, the rank data, we can still do the mode and say what is the most, say for SCI scores, what is the most common score? What did more people put down than anything else? We can also then look at the middle value. Because we now have that order, I can say put them in order, put them in rank, and the middle value becomes the median, half or above, half or below. For both interval and ratio data, we can use the mean and the mode and the median. The mean is what you think of when you say the average. You add everything up and divide by how many there were. There are additional summaries that are available, especially for, say, ratio data that's not for interval data, but you basically never see them in geography. So we'll just move on from those. And this is, simply put, the measures of central tendency, the simplest, most basic summary of the data. What's the average? What's the middle? What is most common? The next video will add to this by looking at dispersion and measures of dispersion.